Let's delve into the Project Info tab. Here you can access all details related to the project, including the project code synced to the ERP system, customer information, required training certifications for project work, and the employees authorised to approve timesheets associated with the project. Additionally, you'll find hyperlinks to other data repository software and much more. Let's delve into the project items. Here you can view all milestones and items created for the projects. Let's dive into one. In this milestone, you can view the total budget, the total cost, and the total amount that has been invoiced. Additionally, you can explore all associated subtype products, including labour, materials, equipment, and subcontractor expenses. Let's explore the Finance tab. Here is a comprehensive list of all quotes, invoices, paid invoices, purchase orders, purchase order receipts, and packing slips associated with the project. Let's explore the Files and Folders tab. Here is a comprehensive list of all files and folders associated with the project. Let's take a look at the Plans and Blueprints tab. Here is a list of all plans that have been uploaded for the project. By clicking on the plus icon on a plan, you can add notes, take photos, create forms, free draw, and generate punch items directly on the plan or blueprint. Let's explore the Photos tab. Here is a list of all the photos taken for the project. Within a photo, you can export it to PDR or email, and you have the option to analyze the photo using AI. Let's analyze the photo from a construction perspective. Here you can access a comprehensive analysis of the photo, which includes a general overview of its contents. It can offer safety tips, necessary precautions, weather details, and much more tailored to your requirements. Thanks for watching.